Have you ever wondered what would happen if you just stopped eating bread? That fluffy white loaf, that crunchy sourdough, that whole wheat sandwich bread. It's a staple in diets all around the world. But what if giving it up could be the key to unlocking a new you? Let's dive deep into what really happens to your body, both the good and the bad, when you say goodbye to bread. First, let's talk about the most immediate effect you'll likely notice: weight loss. But it's not exactly what you think. Bread, especially the refined white kind, is high in simple carbohydrates. When you eat carbs, your body stores them as glycogen. And for every gram of glycogen, your body holds on to about 3 to 4 grams of water. So when you cut out bread and reduce your carb intake, your body starts using up its glycogen stores. As the glycogen goes, so does all that extra water weight. It's not uncommon to see the scale drop by several pounds in the first week. This is incredibly motivating. But remember, it's primarily water loss, not fat loss. Yet, this initial water weight loss is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start consistently avoiding bread. You'll likely find yourself with more stable energy levels. You know that mid-afternoon slump? That feeling of being sleepy and sluggish right after lunch? A lot of that can be blamed on the blood sugar roller coaster caused by simple carbs in bread. When you eat a slice of white bread, your blood sugar spikes, giving you a quick burst of energy. But just as quickly, it crashes, leaving you tired and craving more sugary snacks. By ditching bread, you're stepping off this roller coaster. Your blood sugar becomes more stable, leading to sustained energy throughout the day. No more needing that 3 p.m. coffee just to keep your eyes open. You'll feel more alert, more focused, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. Another amazing benefit you might experience is improved digestion. For many people, bread can be a source of digestive distress. This can be due to a few things. First, there's gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. While only a small percentage of the population has celiac disease, many more have what's called non-celiac gluten sensitivity. This can cause symptoms like bloating, gas, stomach pain, and general discomfort. Even if you're not sensitive to gluten, modern bread often contains other ingredients that can mess with your gut, like fructans, which are a type of carbohydrate that can be difficult for some people to digest. When you cut out bread, you give your digestive system a break. Many people report feeling less bloated, experiencing more regular bowel movements, and just having a happier gut overall. Now let's get to the big one: fat loss. While the initial drop on the scale is water, cutting out bread can lead to genuine long-term fat loss. How? Well, when you remove bread from your diet, you're naturally forced to replace it with other foods. Hopefully, you choose healthier options, like lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of vegetables. These foods are more nutrient-dense and satisfying than a couple of slices of bread. They keep you feeling full for longer, which means you're less likely to overeat or snack between meals. A salad with grilled chicken will keep you satisfied for hours, whereas a sandwich might have you reaching for a bag of chips an hour later. This natural reduction in overall calorie intake, combined with more stable blood sugar levels that reduce cravings, creates the perfect environment for your body to start burning stored fat for energy. You might also notice a change in your skin. The high glycemic index of refined bread can contribute to inflammation in the body, which can show up on your skin as acne, redness, or other issues. By removing this inflammatory trigger, many people see their skin clear up. It's like a beauty treatment from the inside out. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some potential downsides to giving up bread that we need to talk about. First, you could be at risk for certain nutrient deficiencies.
Whole grain breads are often a significant source of B vitamins, like thiamine, niacin, and folate, which are crucial for energy production and overall health. They also provide important minerals like iron, magnesium, and selenium. If you cut out bread entirely and don't make a conscious effort to get these nutrients from other sources, like leafy greens, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you could end up with a deficiency. Another potential issue is a lack of fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It helps you feel full, and it plays a role in managing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. While refined white bread is low in fiber, whole wheat and other whole grain breads can be an excellent source. If you stop eating bread, you absolutely must replace that fiber. Load up on fruits, vegetables, beans, lentils, and other whole grains like quinoa or oats to make sure your gut stays happy and your body gets the fiber it needs. And let's be honest, there's also the social and practical aspect. Bread is convenient. It's everywhere. Grabbing a sandwich for lunch is easy. Going out to a restaurant often means being faced with a tempting bread basket. Cutting it out requires planning and willpower. You'll need to think ahead about your meals, pack your own lunches more often, and learn how to navigate social situations where bread is the star of the show. It can feel restrictive and a little isolating at first. There's also something called the keto flu or carb withdrawal. If your body is used to running on carbohydrates, switching to a very low-carb diet can come with some temporary side effects. In the first week or so, you might experience headaches, fatigue, irritability, and brain fog as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. It usually passes within a few days to a week, but it can be an unpleasant transition. Staying hydrated and making sure you're getting enough electrolytes can help ease these symptoms. So, should you stop eating bread? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It really depends on you. If you're primarily eating refined white bread, then swapping it for more nutrient-dense foods is almost certainly a good idea. You'll likely experience weight loss, better energy, and improved digestion. However, if you're eating high-quality, whole-grain sourdough or sprouted bread in moderation as part of a balanced diet, cutting it out might not be necessary and could even be detrimental if you don't replace the nutrients. The key is to listen to your body. Try going without bread for a few weeks and see how you feel. Do you have more energy? Is your digestion better? Do you feel less bloated? If the answer is yes, then maybe a bread-free or a bread-reduced lifestyle is right for you. If you don't notice much of a difference, or you find it too restrictive, perhaps the focus should be on choosing better quality bread and enjoying it in moderation. It's not about demonizing one food group. It's about building a sustainable, healthy eating pattern that makes you feel your best. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into health and nutrition. See you in the next video.